Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working with a mini stylo, giving a simple, cute kids braids with beads. Keep watching. So one of my favorite products to work with is Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch. The consistency is great. A little goes a long way and it gets the job done. I really love how this product works with just minimal manipulation, and it smells so good. So the style I'm doing today is going to be a cute bun with beads. So I'm just going to go ahead and part her here. This is where the bun will be. So one of the things I love to do best is to make sure I have a neat part or close to neat part. So with the help of edge control, I take my comb and I slowly go across the part, just cleaning it up. So once the back is neatly parted and tucked away, I move on to the front where I begin parting and again making my part neat with the help of my edge control and my favorite comb. This will be where her bangs will lay. Y'all don't have any idea how convenient my wristbands are. I literally place the edge control on it and avoid placing it on the back of my hand, which for some can cause irritation. It's very, very, very convenient. So due to the minimal thinning on her edges, I had to combine the two braids together. I didn't want to squeeze any extra hairs in the one braid to further cause manipulation and damage. So I'm just going to go ahead and place the beads on the braid. This hairstyle is super cute and super easy to do. I hope you're following, and of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. So as I did to the back, I'm going to definitely do to the front. I'm just going to go ahead, clean up my part with some edge control, and begin braiding. like adding too much pressure or too much pulling to my client's hair when braiding. So that's why you see me doing them a little bit loose at the top. Literally important to listen to your hair. Your hair gives you so many signs. If your hair is extremely uncomfortably tight, your hair is telling you something. That's a sign. Okay, that's a hair tip. So here it is. The top is all done. I'm going to move on to the back, and I'm going to do the braids upward so that I can gather it in a ponytail. So again, you want to make sure your part is nice and neat prior to braiding, and you want to be gentle when you're braiding upwards because you don't want to pull too much on the child's hair. I'll be leaving all of the products I use in the description box so you too can achieve the look, the style, and grace way, baby. So here I go with a small elastic band, just putting the hair in a ponytail. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a piece of the hair. I usually start with the top and I twist. As I'm twisting, I'm going around in a circle to achieve a mini bun. And to top the look off, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that cute little bun with a bubble. But if it's one thing my mini stylos love the most, it's baby hair time. They live for the baby hair moment, okay? And I love to provide it for them. Oh, look at that. Simple, easy, cute, just like I said it would be. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I appreciate you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.